We all experience problems when you try to update or install the computer driver. So today I offer you a way to update and install all computer drivers. Hi, I am Muhammad Hassan. Initially, you can download the program from the description below the video to begin explaining the installation, activation, and use of the program together. I downloaded the file already. Click the right click on the file to extract it. If you do not have the extraction program, no problem, you can also download it through the description. Open the extracted folder, then open the program to start installing it. From here, you can choose the installation language. Then click Install. Click No Thanks, then Next unless you want to install an additional program. Wait for the installation to finish. If you do not want to receive mail from a software company with updates and offers, click No Thanks. Then click Scan to start checking the computer driver. Note, all you have to do is connect to the internet to obtain all updated computer drivers. I will activate the program before the scan, so I stop the scan and then click on the introduction of the license and then copy the license from the text file attached with the program and paste in their program. Now activated successfully. Now click Scan. Here you find all the computer drivers. Note, here are the computer drivers that were used earlier and are not currently connected. Unlike here, it is connected to it as the basic computer driver. Now select what you want to update and then click Update or Update all at once to start updating your computer drivers. As you notice, the latest computer drivers are now loaded and installed automatically. Now you must restart the computer to take effect. If you like the video, click on it and subscribe to the channel to get all new. If you have a problem or want to share your thoughts, you can comment. Thank you for watching.